Hey there, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 men's clothing brands that sell for over $50. Hi, I'm Lee, and I'm the founder of ListingToFreedom.com. I've made over 70,000 flipping items on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari, and I'm ready to teach you how to make money flipping thrift finds. All right, so I'm going to be heading on over to my computer so I can show you these top clothing brands that sell for $50 or more in the men's clothing category. But before we go head over there, I just want to say if you enjoy these videos, if you enjoy this video, make sure you give me the thumbs up. And while you're there, make sure you subscribe as well as hit that bell icon to be notified of future videos. All right, let's head on over to my computer and we'll get started. All right, so I'm over here at my computer and I have 10 of these brands pulled up that are selling for over $50. So the first one I have here for you is a brand that's called Ibex. And here are some of the recent solds. So you'll see anywhere from $50 to $100 that these particular items are selling for. And it's a variety of items, pants, there's a pullover shirt, some sweaters. So let's go in. If you have not seen these tags before, this is what the tag looks like. So it has the little Ibex on the tag and it says Art of the Wool and it will say made in the USA. So that's number one on the list is Ibex. Two on the list is a brand by the name of Supreme. And if you can find, I've got some of the solds pulled up right here. And if you can find these where it's Supreme and the North Face, these are selling for a ton of money. Now this one right here says that it was $590 and then a best offer was accepted. So we're not exactly sure how much that sold for, but you're going to want to stick around for the end of the video because I'll show you how you can actually find this dollar amount that it's sold for. Number three on the list is Lululemon. Now, if you've sold women's Lululemon and you haven't been a fan, might want to try the men's. Men's Lululemon sells really well. And so you'll see like the pants here, those sold for $55. Some more pants for $55, these for $69. So keep your eye out for those Lululemon men's items. Fourth on the list is Cool. And this is one of my favorite brands. I'm seeing here that some of these are saying that they're brand new. Let me just make sure that I'm showing you only pre-owned here. So let me filter down to pre-owned. Everything on this list is for the pre-owned category, not the new. So just want to make sure of that. So here's like a vest that sold for $62.95, coat $69. Here's a pair of pants for $55. Those went on auction with 9 bids. This is one brand that I do like to auction. Here's another coat for $66, another one for $95. All right, number 5 on our list is Patagonia. This may not be a surprise. Patagonia is one of the best brands to sell. And look at these prices. So it's really going to depend on the age of the item, the quality of the item. If it's really getting more towards the vintage end, you can get quite a bit for it, like this Cinchilla T-snap jacket here. This one listed at $245. Stick around for the end because that is one of the ones that I'm going to be going in and checking and seeing what it actually sold for. All right, then there's that jacket there that we're going to be checking on. Okay, the next brand on the list, this is number 6 if you're keeping track, is Barbour. And I believe I have a listing pulled up here so you can see what the tag looks like if you have not seen that tag before. And here are some of the items that have sold in the past few days. You'll see a lot of coats, vests, and just look at those prices, $100 or more for a lot of these items. Okay, there's that. And then number 7 on the list is Filson. And this is another one that these items can sell for a lot of money. So this one is just a basic flannel shirt. It says $80, best offer accepted. So we're not exactly sure what it sold for. Here's a wool long sleeve button up. That one sold for $50. That's just a basic shirt. The jackets, vests, coats, you'll get a lot more money for. Like, let's find a good one here. All right, so this one here sold for 200. Even a hat, I don't know, it says 75. It may have sold for 50. Here's a computer bag that sold for 250, a vest that sold for 65. All right, number 8 on the list is double RL. This is Ralph Lauren. And I'm going to pull up one of the tags here so you know what you're looking for. So that's what the tag looks like. And then here are some of the recently sold items. Again, these are all pre-owned condition. This shirt here went for $137 on auction. Here's some shorts that sold for 50. So another shirt for 79. Some pants, don't know what that sold for. And then number 9 on the list is 9 on the list is a brand by the name of, and I think I'm saying this right, Coogie. And these have a super unique style to them. When you see it, you'll know what it is. And so let's just take a look through here what these look like so you know what you're looking for. They're pretty wild. And a lot of these prices, so let's take a look. This one was 82. This one sold for 102. I have another one pulled up here that I wanted to go in and look and see how much it actually sold for. So it was listed for $399.99. The 10th and final item that I have for you on this list are men's diesel jeans. Now these are selling right around the $50 to maybe $75 mark. So here's some of the prices that you can expect for these jeans. So now I promised you that I would show you how to look up how much these items actually sold for, where you see that strikeout through the price and it says best offer accepted. So the first item we're going to look up is this Coogie sweater that I mentioned that was listed for $399.99. It tells us a best offer was accepted. And so all you're going to do is you're going to copy that title for the item and then head into your eBay seller hub, and under research, if you have a store subscription, you're going to have the Terapeak product research, and you'll come in here into the search, paste that title of the item into your search and hit research. Now, if you're not seeing the item right away, make sure that you have appropriate number of previous days set up, and then you can also if there's a lot of items in this list, you can click this date last sold to see. So let's just make sure that this is the right item that we're looking at. So that's what it looks like. And then looking in Terapeak, we can see that the actual selling price of the item was $300. So they listed it for $399 and then took an offer for $300. So let's check out this Cinchilla one, Patagonia, and see what this one sold for. So I'm going to do the same thing, just copy that title, head into Terapeak, and we're going to paste it, hit research, and see what this jacket actually sold for. So I believe it's this one right there. Okay, wait, let me change the dates here so we can see. Okay, so it's right here. So it says October 20th, and this is the date that that one sold. So it says sold October 20th. That's a way that you can tell. And that one sold for $205, and it was listed for $245. All right, so I've got one last one for you that I wanted to check out. And this was this Supreme North Face brown faux fur jacket that was listed for $590. So we'll see what that actually sold for. So I'm going to see if this works. I'm going to just copy that title in and see if we can get it to come up. All right, so you come up here to the search, paste that in, hit search. All right, so that item is there, and this one is saying that it sold for $500. All right, so it was listed for $590 and an offer of $500 was accepted. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, if you enjoyed it, make sure that you hit the like button, give me the thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel. It really helps out the algorithm a lot. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video soon.